Last time when we spoke to you, we did not have the benefit of the forthcoming SACU receipts for next year, 2023. We got confirmation from the recent South African medium expenditure budget by the South African Minister of Finance, which indicated that the total amount to Namibia in terms of SACU receipts will be significantly higher in 2023. I understand that number still needs to be confirmed, but it could be more than 4 billion Namibian dollars. That's sort of the number that I'm picking up from the South African budget, but it's the Ministry of Finance this end that needs to provide that number. They are much more closer. Inflation seems to be leveling off. You've seen that inflation averaged about 3.2% in 2021. We have raised interest rates aggressively. Monetary policy seems to be working. If you look at the forecast for inflation for next year, we think by the end of next year we'll get to about 4.9%. So the monetary policy transmission is working, although there are side effects to that. The medicine is working. But we can see that inflation is leveling off. That's why we could deviate this time around. International inflation pressures are unpleasant, but they are not overbearing at this stage. And if you also look at the exchange rate movement since the last MPC, they're pointing towards a more supportive deviation. So last time it was hovering around 18 versus the US dollar. Currently this morning is trading below 17 Namibian dollars versus the US dollar. So that incoming data allowed us to do that. So policy tightening globally would also seem to be softening. It's not going to be as aggressive as it used to be because of the inflation outlook that people see. So central banks are still going to continue interest rates, but the outlook seems to be improving, and that allows us to change.